The employment market appears to be back on track in 2015. I'm John Marino for The Street, and I'm joined by Scott Rostan. He's president and CEO of Teaching the Street. I like our name synergy that we have here. I appreciate you taking out some time to join us.
Thank you.
You prep folks coming out of not just college, but also MBA programs for basically the next phase of their life, whether that's on Wall Street or in Silicon Valley. So tell us what you're seeing right now from potential folks that you're speaking with at Teaching the Street, and also what are the trends? Where are people going?
And you hit the nail on the head. Things are looking better. The employment numbers are looking better. Hiring trends are, especially with our Wall Street clients, is now looking up. So their class sizes are 5, 10, sometimes 20% larger than last year, which means there's more optimism. Firms are hiring more laterally. So if someone leaves within the first year or two, which they didn't anticipate, and there is some attrition that they estimate for, they're looking to replace those as opposed to allowing it to stay at the status quo. So things are looking much better, especially for the Wall Street investment banking hiring.
All right, but still, obviously, it is a competitive job market for the folks with the right skill set. So talk about, I guess, for a little bit, how competitive it is. What are you telling the people that you mentor as they get ready for their big job search?
Yeah, so at Train the Street, when we're working with them, the way we prepare for the job search is get yourself ready. It's think about, know your strengths, know your weaknesses. We help them prepare a lot on the technical skills. So we specialize a lot on the accounting and financial statement analysis. We specialize in the valuation type questions of how to analyze and value a company or a leveraged buyout candidate or a stock. And then we also help them with financial modeling in Excel of doing it in spreadsheets. We just actually had a new addition to our team in the capital market space, so we can now bring in more of the security side of the world of finance, of fixed income and equities and derivatives and sales and trading world. So we're very excited about that, but it's all about getting them prepared with technical skills to make them perform on the job.
And one last quick question before we go on the prep. What are some of the things rather the folks might not be prepared for as they're coming out and getting ready for their Wall Street career?
That's a very popular question we get, especially from some of our academic clients. If, we have business majors and finance majors. So we're basically complementing what they learn in their schoolwork and trying to bring it into more of a practical hands-on reality. So you may learn accounting in class, but we're showing you financial statement analysis as you're analyzing companies. You may have covered a corporate valuation class, but we're now showing you how in a Wall Street deal scenario, in a merger and acquisition, for example, how you would actually go about valuing a company like Tiffany or Coach, or two of the case studies we recently have used.
All right, well, I appreciate you taking out some time to chat with us here, and also I'm sure your pupils appreciate all the work that you're going to be doing to prep the class of 2015 for next year's big recruitment.
Exactly.
But again, thank you very much for taking some time to join us.
My pleasure.
I'm John Marino for The Street.